As if cinnamon rolls weren't sweet enough already, here's an idea that makes them simply irresistible. My next guest takes a classic treat to the next level by shaping them into, look at that, adorable little bunnies. Julie Ash joining me through the screen to share her recipe for her Easter Cinnabunnies. First of all, Julie, you are just as darling as these creatures. Thanks for jumping in and joining us today. Cinnabunnies, what a cute name too.
Thank you.
How did you come up with this adorable Easter treat?
Say that again?
How did you come up with this treat?
You know what, my mom did it when we were little. I've seen it on Pinterest, so I think a lot of moms did it, and now we're all just recycling the idea.
It seems like it would be a fun recipe to make with the kids, right? To like go through the bread making process and then have them experience the wow that is that final bunny shape. Could they help out and jump in?
Every time. They love it. It's like our Easter tradition at this point.
I love that. All right, let's start with the dough. What goes into it?
Okay, so our dough is amazing. It's a really silky dough that's stuck in the bowl. It's fine. And it's a really simple dough. It's just got, you know, the normal, it's got eggs and flour. And what really makes it special is you put half the flour in and really, really mix it till it's a batter.
Okay.
And then add the other half, and for some reason when you do that, it just becomes this light, fluffy, airy dough. And what is also great about it is you can either use it right away or put it in your fridge overnight. So if you want to do this on like Easter morning, you can prep it all the night before.
Nice, nice. How do we cut and shape the dough?
Okay, so we just roll it out, and you'll want to roll it like half an inch thick, right? And I'm just going to roll a little bit so I can show you how to shape it. So about 1 foot long and half an inch thick. And then I just use a pizza cutter. And we cut out about an inch thick strip like this. Okay. And then you literally just twist it around and twist it over. Okay. So
you've got the ends on top.
Right, and so the ends are on top, and see how they're squared off like that?
Yes.
Let me just show you. You can shape it all you want, make it kind of a fatter rear end on that bunny, and then take the ears and pinch it outward, like that. Can you see that?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so you just pinch it outward to create these tapered ends, right?
For the ears.
And so like this. And they're gonna rise and get fluffy. And so you just pull them outwards. And then to create the bunny tail, just take another little bit of that dough and roll it into a ball and stick it right there on top of the bunny.
And it bakes like that with the little tail tucked in.
Yes, exactly. So once it is all laid out like that, then you just brush it down with melted butter and sprinkle it with cinnamon and sugar. And the real trick, though, is when they come out of the oven and they're just like as cute as can be, then you want to spoon more butter on top.
That a girl.
Because, you know, you can never have too much butter.
I mean, we get a free day, right, on a holiday. That's the rule at my house.
It's a holiday. It's heaven in a bite.
Look at that, darling.
It's cute.
Oh, he's
They're
so cute. I mean, for sure, we're going to name these when we make them, right? Yeah.
Oh, yes. Let's see here. This is Sally.
And
we're
then
going to eat.
Sadly, we eat Sally, but that's okay. I didn't kind of follow this idea all the way through. Do you have a cream cheese recipe that you love that goes with this or complements this recipe?
Yes. So this is cream cheese fluff, and it's almost like a cream cheese frosting, but you're going to whip some heavy whipping cream separate, and then take your already whipped cream cheese and spoon them together. And it creates this like really soft, like beautiful little dip.
Cream cheese fluff.
Cream cheese fluff.
Right on Sally's right ear. Julie, this is so fun. Thank you for sharing. It's something I haven't seen before, new to my eyes, so I'm excited to try it with my kids at my house. Where can we find more of your recipes and your ideas?
Tangledwithtaste.com, or social media handles is at Tangled with Taste.
That's a great title, Tangled with Taste. Julie, great to meet you through the screen. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
Hop. Oh my gosh, love you more and more. A girl with a pun is a girl after my own heart. Julie, thanks again. Happy Easter. We'll link you over to Julie's website and Instagram pages from ours, studio5.ksl.com.